You may think there's a world of feeling at your fingertips, but as neuroscientist V.S. Ramachandran has been discovering with amputee patients, it's all in your head.
Derek, can you tell me a little bit about when you lost your arm and what led to the amputation?
I was involved in a motorcycle accident in 1985.
Okay.
After 5 days, I finally woke up in the hospital, and all I could feel was that same...
The same pain.
It was like on fire.
Yes.
I was screaming so loud that it was like my body was on fire, like I put my arm in an oven.
Now, after the amputation, did you have a feeling that the arm was still there?
When the arm was gone, I told myself it was gone. I believed it was gone, but yet the phantom sensations multiplied. I mean, I was feeling all different types of sensations.
Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to touch different parts of your body. The question is, do you also feel any other sensation?
I can feel that in my phantom limb.
In your phantom limb? Mm-hmm. Which part of the limb? Any one part?
The thumb.
In the thumb?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And you also felt it on your cheek?
Yes.
Okay. What I'm going to do is I'm going to move the Q-tip along the jaw, and you tell me if you experience what you experience, okay?
A running sensation down the phantom limb.
What did you feel in your phantom limb?
It went down the palm and across all 4 fingers.
So the sensation actually seemed to move?
To the thumb, yeah.
How can Derek's self-image still include a limb that isn't there? One place to look for answers is the map of the body that we have in our brains.
Now, if you look at the brain of a normal adult human, it turns out that the entire body surface is mapped on to the opposite cerebral hemisphere, to a vertical strip of brain tissue in the opposite cerebral hemisphere. So that, for example, if you touch the person's hand, one part of this map would light up. If you touch his foot or his face, there'd be a different part that would be activated. And our interpretation of this observation is that in the normal brain, the sensory input from the face obviously would go only to the face area of the map. But in this patient, what has happened is the input from the face, instead of going only to the face area, has also invaded the part of that map that usually gets input only from the hand.
This time, I'm going to take a drop of hot water and put it on your face. And you're going to tell me if you feel anything warm or cold or any sensations in your phantom.
Okay.
Okay, your eyes.
I felt warm sensation in the phantom thumb.
Now what I'm going to do is put the same water elsewhere. Can you close your eyes? Sorry.
In the pinky of the phantom limb.
Derek's brain has not only created 2 virtual limbs, it's also done something that was thought to be impossible for adult brains. Partially rewired itself, changing the boundary of his sense of self.